In our next video, we're going to create a chart that shows a trend. When you're talking about trends, what you're talking about is a line chart. Some type of a line chart is the best way of showing trends. Okay, what our objective is we're going to try to show sales trends for the first 6 months of the year. So we're going to begin by highlighting our area. From A11 down to G16. Now once again, notice how we did not, and I repeat, we did not highlight the totals. Next, we're going to click on Insert. We want to show a trend, so we're going to pick a line chart. We're going to come over here and choose a line with markers. Let's move our chart down a little bit. Now this chart is based upon the numbers that are in here. Now we're going to change some of our numbers around. You're going to see in a few minutes why I did that. Once again, the numbers here feed the chart. And if we change the numbers up in this area here, our chart will also change. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come into the cell for laptops. That's in C13. And I'm going to change that number to 30,000. See how it's changed? It's gone up. Now, next, I want to create a pattern. I want to grow by 10,000 each year, or rather each month. And you can see, once again, our sales started off at 20,000, 30,000, 40,000, 50,000, 60, and 70. It's going up. It's increasing. Whereas our desktops have remained stagnant. But let's go back and let's click within the chart. And what I want to do next is I just want to show the comparison, show the trends for the desktop computers and only the laptops. There's a couple of ways you can do that. If you click in here for the chart, so everything is all highlighted in terms of what the chart is based upon, what numbers by month. And I could go in here, come over to the edge here, got my double arrow, and pull all the way up so that we're only highlighting desktops and laptops. Now we have a more telling chart. So that's one way of changing it. I'm going to come over here, drag it down so that we're showing everything again. Still another way of changing it. We're within our chart. Right-click, select data. Now what I could do is, once again, my objective is only to show the desktop and the laptops. What I could do is uncheck. This would hide the information on the chart for iPads, lasers, inkjet printers. I could just uncheck it, or I could actually remove it. And that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to click on the iPads and click Remove. Click on the laser printers. It's highlighted. Remove. Click on the inkjet printers. Click on Remove. So we only have two types of charts. We have our laptops where we can see the sales are increasing. They're increasing at a fairly good rate. Whereas the desktops, they're basically remaining the same. And I could very easily have decreased them to show that change. The most important thing is that the trend is showing that the desktops, or rather the laptops, are increasing. The reds are my laptops, whereas the desktops are stagnant. Needless to say, you want to create a chart title. Click here. And we could call it Desktop versus Laptop Sales. First 6 months. Thank you.